All right, let's just jump right in because a massive shift is happening in how your customers are finding businesses today. And honestly, if you're not paying attention, you could be slowly becoming invisible without even realizing it.
Remember this thing? The yellow pages? Yeah. Back in the 90s, the game was so simple, right? If your business wasn't in this book, you basically didn't exist to any new customers. It was the only search engine that mattered.
And then, boom, Google came along and completely rewrote the rules. The phone book became a paperweight, and getting on the front page of Google became everything. We all learned about SEO. But now, the game is changing again. And this is the piece that I think most people are still missing. We're moving away from this, typing short, kind of clunky keywords into a search bar. That's the old way. The new way is this. People are having actual conversations with AI, with tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. They're not just searching Fishing Lodge, Ontario. They're asking, hey, find me a great family-friendly fishing lodge up in Northern Ontario for a trip in August. See the difference? And this right here, this quote gets to the absolute heart of the matter. AI doesn't give you a list of 10 blue links. It gives you the answer. 1, maybe 2 specific recommendations with the reasons why they're a good fit. If you're not one of them, you're just gone. To that customer, you are totally invisible. So what does this invisibility actually look like in the real world? What is the tangible dollars and cents cost of having a website that's, stuck in the past? The financial hit is staggering. We're talking about a potential loss of $36,000 in revenue every single year. And that's not some random number we pulled out of thin air. It's based on the value of real bookings you could be missing out on right now. And to put that big number into perspective, what does it actually mean? It means 2 groups of 4 people every single month choosing one of your competitors. A competitor you might not even be able to see because they're winning in this new AI arena that you're not even playing in yet. Okay, so I know what you might be thinking. My website works just fine. People find my phone number. They can see my pictures. It's great. So why can't these incredibly powerful, super smart AI tools figure it out? Well, it's because your website was built for human eyes. We're great at connecting the dots from pictures and headlines, but an AI needs structured, organized information. Your current site, it's like a messy filing cabinet. An AI needs a perfectly organized database so it can understand exactly what you offer. Okay, so to get visible again, we need to stop thinking about the old rules and start playing by the new ones. And this really involves 2 key concepts that are taking the place of traditional SEO as we know it. First up is GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. The key here isn't keywords, it's all about structuring your site's information so a machine can actually understand precisely what you do, who you serve, and why you're a fantastic choice. And the whole point of GEO, the entire goal, is to get an AI citation. This is when an AI tool recommends your business by name. And make no mistake, this is the new ranking on page 1. It's the new holy grail. Now here's where it gets really interesting. I know this all feels like a huge, daunting shift, but it's not a threat. It's actually a massive opportunity for those who decide to act now. This is your chance to get a serious head start. And look, we hear this all the time from busy business owners. The very idea of taking on another big, complex, technical project, it feels totally overwhelming when you're just trying to run your day-to-day. We get it. But here's the really good news. You don't need a wrecking ball here. This isn't about starting from scratch or spending a fortune on a brand new website. It's simply about reorganizing the valuable information you already have into building blocks an AI can understand. It really just comes down to these 3 things. Get super detailed about your services, build out content that directly answers the questions your customers are asking, and organize it all so the AI can easily grab it and go. This is a process that takes weeks, not months. By doing this now, you become one of the very first to be visible to this new wave of customers. You gain a huge competitive edge while everyone else is still stuck in the old Google keyword game. You're not just getting bookings for this year, you are securing the tech-savvy customers of tomorrow, the ones who become your loyal, repeat customers for years. So as a business owner, this whole shift really puts you at a fork in the road. You now have a very clear choice to make about the future of your business. You have 2 paths. Path 1, you can maintain the status quo, keep your website as is, and just slowly become more and more invisible. Or there's path 2. You adapt and you become a primary, top-of-mind AI recommendation for the next generation of customers. And this chart just makes the business case crystal clear. When you compare the potential loss of $36,000 a year to the small one-time investment required to adapt, the math is simple. The cost of doing nothing is what's truly expensive here.
So ultimately, it all boils down to this one question. This isn't about if this change is coming. It's already here. The only real question left is how many future customers are you willing to let slip away to your competition before you decide to seize this first mover advantage?